I want to talk to grandmothers. Grandma, let me ask you, what is the relationship between hiccup in babies and this thing? This thing that you usually put on an innocent baby's head. What is the relationship? I want to ask. Hiccup in children is just because of one of the respiratory muscles called diaphragm that is yet matured. Okay, and it will definitely go off on its own as the child grows up. So this thing doesn't really have anything to do with hiccup. It doesn't stop hiccup. Have your grandmother or your mother or your mother-in-law visited you for mugo, and she's always cutting thread to put on your baby's head? Anyway, you can allow her, but truly, it doesn't have anything to do with hiccup. Hmm?